It is 1:45 in the morning. And you see the top of the car. I'm not putting my shoes on to go out there, but you can tell the top of the car has ice on it. The sides don't seem to be freezing. It looks like it's still running down everything. So maybe we'll have power till morning at least. That'd be awesome.
You're as cold as ice.
We didn't get the ice that a lot of places got. It is kind of thick on the car. You can kind of see. I don't think I'll be getting in it today. I thought I might get in and go for a ride if the roads aren't too bad. I'm gonna walk down here to the main road and see how bad it is. But you can see it's got a pretty good coat on it. That's what the back looks like.
You're as cold as ice.
So like a good hillbilly, I have a satellite dish in my yard that doesn't work. And that little lip's full and froze. Yeah, we didn't get nearly what they said we were gonna get. And I'm not complaining. You can hear the ice crunching in the grass. Let me get down here so you can see the grass. Yeah, we got lucky, especially now that I'm out here able to look around. Just over here to the fence. Listen to the crunch. I don't know if you can see it or I'll be able to zoom in enough, but there's ice hanging off the power lines. Not a whole lot, but it's up there. Last thing I need to do is fall and break a hip and lay out here and freeze to death. I'm so happy this didn't get worse. I've talked to a couple of subscribers that live here in my area of Kentucky, 20 miles away or so, and some of them have lost power, some haven't. It looks like Lexington and Richmond got it a whole lot worse than we did down here, which our temperature didn't drop to below freezing for a while last night, and I think that might be what saved us. The only thing I've heard that was like newsworthy around here was that US 421 up the mountain was closed for a little while this morning because trucks were not able to get up or something.
You're as cold as ice.
Listen to it crunch. Oh, this looks slicker than snot on a bald rock. Look at that. Yeah, the road might be moving all right, but I would never get across this to the road, I don't think. It's pretty slick. Let's go over here to the sidewalk. Actually, it's not. It's a solid sheet of ice, but it's not really slick for some reason. Watch. Well, that's slick. I lied. That's melting. I've not looked to see what the temperature is. Since the door on the car wash is closed, I'm assuming it's below freezing, but I don't know. There you can see the ice hanging off that power line. But even though there's traffic out, this road's busy. And there sure ain't nobody out right now. Compared to normal, I'm walking back to the house because there's a breeze and it is cold.
You're as cold as ice.
See that brown spot? That's the last of the driveway onions. Before I go in the house, just for fun, let's see. Watch it crack. That door ain't moving.
You're as cold as ice.
That's looking down toward the big road that I walked to today. One little car. It's like 15 after 7. It's a lot colder out than it was earlier. And really looking at the windshield, we've got a little bit more drizzle. They're saying we might get some more Saturday. But tomorrow we're gonna chisel out the car and go for a ride. See how things look. Thank y'all for watching and hope everybody's staying safe and warm.